So problem number 1 is, write down speed of light in water VW is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and the speed of light in glass written as Vg is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. He has given speed of light in water and speed of light in glass. Then he is asking us to find out number 1. Mu of water, number 2 mu of glass, and number 3 is mu of glass with respect to water. He is asking 3 physical quantities us to find out. Can you do that problem? Boys, do it now, make it fast. See here, mu of water, I can write down it as C by VW. C is always constant beta, so C is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by mu of water. Water velocity is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8, 20 to the power of 8 will be cancelled. So I have 3 by 2.25. If you simplify, what will you get? It will be around 1.33. It will be around 1.33. Similarly, I have mu of glass. It is written as C by Vg. It is nothing but again same 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of 8. Again 10 to the power of 8, 10 into 10 to the power of 8 is cancelled. 3 by 2 is simply 1.22. 1.22. Sorry, not 1.22, 3 by 2 kada, 1.5 andi. Now he is asking us to find out what is mu GW. Mu GW, how can we write this as mu G by mu W? So here it is around 1.5 divided by 1.33. You simplify, you will be getting answer. Another formula also we can use a formula of mu G by mu W. We can use the formula VW by Vg, 2.25 divided by 2. So if you simplify, you will be getting around this value will be around 2.25 by 2. So 1.125. It will be around 2.25 by 2 means, so it will be around 1.125. 1.125. This is question. Did you understand the problem? So let me give you second problem based on the same concept. Write down, given given lambda A is equals to 4800 Armstrongs. And the refractive index of diamond is 2.4. The refractive index of diamond is 2.4. Find the wavelength in a diamond. Find the wavelength in diamond. Is given lambda A. Lambda A is nothing but in a given medium. Lambda A is 4800 and refractive index of the diamond is given as 2.4, and is asking us to find out the wavelength in a diamond. So what did he give us? Imagine this to be in air. So he has given mu of diamond with what comparison here? Absolute refractive index. So mu of diamond with respect to air is given. It is 2.4. It is 2.4. So I can write down this as lambda d by lambda air is equals mu d by mu air, not lambda d by lambda air, is equal to lambda air by lambda d. So this is given as 2.4 and this is given as 4800. I want lambda d. So from this I'll be getting lambda d is equals to 2.4 in divided by. So what will be the answer? Lambda A. So this can be written as 2.4 divided by 4800. Armstrongs ni meters lo convert cheskondi and substitute cheste meeku answer vastadi, and the answer will be around 2000 Armstrongs. Can you solve it? So based on the refractive index, these are the two problems which we discussed, and let me enter into the second concept, that is loss of refraction. We already know the loss of reflection. Can anybody say me what are the loss of reflection?